Alright, this is repairing a light bulb that's went dim. It's hard to tell right there, but the left side is a lot dimmer than the other. It's got a burnt LED. So we're going to disassemble these, find the burnt LED, and jump it. Hold on just for 1 second. Slide this tube off. There's the LED strip. Alright, let's see if we can find the burnt LED. Yep. There's definitely two. See the little black dot? They are probably the culprits. Right there, one of the two. Both of them are probably bad, so we'll probably just jump them both. Alright, so we're going to pop the top of the LED off gently. Just snap it. You're going to expose the bottom layer. You might be able to tell there's a line in between those two. You're going to solder those two together. Alright, I'm going to put a little solder here. Whew, sucker's hot. Get off of there. And there it is, all bright. And that's what it looks like when it's all finished. You can see a few little dim spots in the light, but overall saves you about $60 or $15 if you buy the cheap lights like these.